Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to clip audio in Canva. First of all, head over to your Canva website. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, create a new design from here. You can use custom size. You can also use the template from the Canva. After that, upload your audio file. Now click on the audio file and it will be imported on your slide here. After that, to clip it, select the audio file. Now click on this icon here. Here you can select the timing of the slide. If you want to add more of your audios, click on the add page and it will be added automatically. Now click on the audio file and you will see your audio file here. Hover your mouse to the bottom of your audio file and click on it. After that, drag it little by little. And that is how you can clip your audio file. You can also do it from the front here. So that is how you can clip audio in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.